Introducing the Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum, a cutting-edge cleaning solution unveiled at CES. This flagship device seamlessly combines the powerful features of the X8 Pro and the advanced functions of the X9 Pro, boasting 8,000 Pascal suction power to efficiently handle common household messes such as pet fur and spills. The Mop Master System 2.0 ensures thorough cleaning with auto-lift mopping, dynamic dual rotating mops, and edge-hugging capabilities. One standout feature is the AIC Smart Obstacle Avoidance, using algorithms akin to autonomous driving technology to recognize and navigate around over 100 household objects, ensuring smooth cleaning even in low-light conditions. The Omni Station charging base enhances user convenience, allowing the robot to dock itself, empty bins, wash pads, and prepare for the next cleaning session automatically. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni also features a Prototangle comb roller brush to manage hair and fur entanglement effectively. Control and scheduling are made easy through the Eufy Clean app, providing users with the ability to set specific cleaning profiles. With a battery life of up to 180 minutes in vacuum mode and 120 minutes in mop and vacuum mode, this robot vacuum is designed for efficiency. Weighing only 26 pounds, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is priced at $799.99 and will be available for purchase from Amazon and Eufy's official website starting February 20, 2024. Pre-order promotions include discounts for new and existing customers, along with complimentary cleaning solution bottles for new sign-ups. Don't miss out on this state-of-the-art cleaning companion that brings together power, intelligence, and convenience.